Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a radio effect in Audacity. So let's get started. Open Audacity and import the audio track you want to apply the radio effect to. And go to the Generate menu, click on Noise. Now for noise type, choose Pink from the drop-down menu. Click on Generate. Now when you play the audio, you will see the radio effect. Perhaps if it's too loud, select the audio tracks, then go to Effect, click on Distortion and make it leveler from here. Make sure this is down and make this off. Now again, go to Effect, choose EQ and Filters. From there, click on Filter Crop EQ. You can adjust them. Now playback your audio. Hello everyone, welcome. It's still too loud. Go for Effect, then click on Amplify and change this down. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.